Good morning, everyone. Myself, Professor Nidhi Joshi, and I am discussing about the subject image processing and computer vision. Subject code for this subject is CS803. As in the previous lecture, I was talking about the morphological algorithm operation on the binary image. In that, basically, I discussed about the boundary extraction algorithm and the region filling algorithm. And next, I was discussing about the morphological algorithm operation over the grayscale image. In that, I had discussed about the certain terminologies like what is a depth, smoothing, edge detection, gradient, etc. So, in the today's session, I will be discussing about what is thinning, what is thickening, and why it is required, what are its application, what is a region growing and the region shrinking. Why we are going for the region growing and the region shrinking. So let us start with the today's topic, that is the thinning and the thickening. So basically, if I am talking about the thinning in an image processing is an image processing operation like that we are using for the binary image or the binary valued image region that are reduced to line. like किसी भी चीज़ को हम लोगों को reduce करके shrink करके या reduce करके कुछ image को हम लोग will try to get it in certain form of the line. पर्पस क्या है थिनिंग का? The purpose of the thinning is to reduce the image components to their essential information for further analysis and recognition. So पर्पस क्या रहता है कि हाँ हम लोग उसको एक स्मॉल इन्फॉर्मेशन हम लोगों को जो भी रिलेवेंट और इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन रहती है उस इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम लोग उस इमेज से will try to get that information from the image so that we can go for the analysis. And second इसका purpose क्या रहता है? like if I am talking about the storage also, so that time if I am going for the thinning operation, एक मेरे पास कोई small size की information रहेगी where I will be having all the information, so then it will be so far and so good instead of keeping all the stuff with me. So I am going for the thinning of the image. So let us talk about one more terminology, that is the thickening. Thickening क्या होती है? That is like in a very simple word, if I am saying किसी भी चीज़ को it's the opposite of the thinning. किसी भी चीज़ को instead of going for a very small or for a single line of information or the reduced line of information, we are going to fill all the undesirable holes which are available there in the image. So the thinning is the changing a pixel from 1 to 0 if any neighbor of the pixel are 1. So thickening followed by thinning can be used for filling the undesirable holes, ताकि उस इमेज को हम लोग उस जो भी उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन है या कंटेंट है या जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रही है दैट इज़ बीन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द एनालिसिस विल ट्राई टू मेक इट एनलार्ज. Thinning followed by thickening is used for determining isolated components and the cluster. The purpose of purpose of using this thinning and the thickening in image processing is to identify the isolated components which are there in the image. So that's why we are going for the thinning and the thickening operation. Thinning and the thickening that we are performing over the image. So if I am talking about the thinning in terms of the image processing, the thinning is defined in terms of hit or the miss. Hit means if I had asked for the particular image, particular object from the image, if I got, then I call it a hit, otherwise I will call it as a miss. So mathematically we can represent the thinning like this. So A is the image, B is a sequence of the structuring element like this. B is the sequence of the structuring element. So, and the operation, this is the operation can be given as like this. So if I'm talking like what is a thinning in terms of the image processing, so the thinning is defined it in terms of the hit or the miss transform like this. So this is we are having the image, and here we are considered a sequence of the structuring element. Like this is the sequence of the structuring element, this is the origin, this is the sample set of the structuring element. So next what we have done, like we are having this this is the image, and like what we are performing, like here we are placing the structuring element over the image. This is this set of operation that we are performing over the image like this. This we got after the first set of the iteration, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like different iteration, the operation that we are performing, and so on. So at last we got a very thin image, so where the useful information or the relevant information, this relevant information we can use it for the analysis purpose. एक इसका एडवांटेज क्या रहेगा, वी आर गोइंग फॉर द थिनिंग, लाइक हम लोग स्पेस को भी हम लोग सेव कर सकते हैं, लाइक मिनिमम स्टोरेज में, लाइक विल ट्राई टू कीप द मैक्सिमम डेटा विथ अस. सो वी आर हैविंग वन मोर टर्मिनोलॉजी, दैट इज द थिकनिंग. सो थिकनिंग इज द मॉर्फोलॉजिकल ड्वेल ऑफ थिनिंग ऑपरेशन. उस थिनिंग ऑपरेशन का एक अपोजिट होता है, एंड मैथमेटिकली और मैथमेटिकली इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग इट्स अ मैथमेटिकली, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ द इमेज प्रोसेसिंग, सो आई एम वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट द थिनिंग ऑपरेशन with this notation. So where B is a set of the structure element. So this is the thickening operation. Thickening operation में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we'll try to fill the unused holes which are there in the image, so that जो भी हमें आइडेंटिफाई है ऑब्जेक्ट है, दैट वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई, इंडिविजुअल ऑब्जेक्ट को हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो अगेन वी आर हैविंग दिस इमेज. What we are doing, we have taken the complement, like here we had different iteration that we have performed, like by placing the structural element over the image. So this results that we got after performing the thickening operation. So this is the original image. So after performing the thickening over this image, so we got the image, the final image, or in a very simple word, if I am saying, the output is like this only, like this only. So this is the required output, or like on this image we had performed the thickening operation. So this is the resultant image. Next topic that I will be discussing is the region growing and the region shrinking. किसी भी region को बढ़ाना या किसी भी region को shrink करना. So in order to accomplish this like certain approaches that we are going to use for the image segmentation. First one is the histogram, thresholding, clustering in the color space, and the third one is the region growing and the shrinking, like certain approaches that we are going to use for the image segmentation. So the shape of an object can be described in terms of the boundary. हम लोग कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको हम लोग कैसे डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, उसके बाउंड्री के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं और उसके रीजन के फॉर्म से. बाउंड्री क्या होती है, क्या उसकी क्या एज है, आउटर कवरेज उसका क्या है, दैट रिक्वायर्स द इमेज एज डिटेक्शन. और रीजन इट ऑक्यूपाइज, so it requires the image segmentation in the homogeneous region. Image region generally have homogeneous characteristics. So कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट का शेप है, सो वी कैन डिस्क्राइब इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द बाउंड्री, क्या उसकी बाउंड्री है, क्या उसकी एजेस है उस इमेज की, और रीजन, कितना रीजन वो ऑक्यूपाइड कर रही है इमेज. So in the previous slide I was discussing about the image segmentation. Image segmentation का purpose क्या रहता है, और if I am talking about the goal of the image segmentation, the goal of the image segmentation is to find the region that represents the object. क्या purpose रहता है image segmentation का, कि हाँ हम लोगों को we have to identify द रीजन जिसके अंदर जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, या जो मीनिंगफुल पार्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट दैट वी आर लुकिंग इन द मीनिंगफुल ऑब्जेक्ट दैट वी आर लुकिंग पर्टिकुलरली इन द इमेज. सो बट प्रॉब्लम क्या रहती है, द मेजर प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द इमेज सेगमेंटेशन आर द रिजल्ट ऑफ noise in the image. Like in the previous class I was discussing about कि noise के कारण जो image रहती है, we are not getting that much perfect, उसके कारण कुछ image में distortion रहते हैं. So that is the major problem or the major challenge, जिसके कारण will not get that much precise reason from the image. An image domain X must be segmented in n different region. In order to accomplish this, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो भी हमारा जो image domain है उसको small part में या small segments में different regions में हम लोग उसको डिवाइड करते हैं या सेगमेंट करते हैं. एंड इमेज डोमेन एक्स मस्ट बी सेगमेंटेड इन n डिफरेंट रीजन. लाइक हाउ वी आर नंबरिंग, इट्स R1 to Rn. द सेगमेंटेशन रूल इज अ लॉजिकल प्रेडिकेट ऑफ द फॉर्म. सो द इमेज सेगमेंटेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट्स टू प्रेडिकेट P partition the image X into sub-region, like into small sub-region, and this sub-region we are representing it with this notation. So where I is equals to 1 to n, we are dividing it into n segment such that the image is equals to 1 is equal I is 1 to n, like the image we are the particularly image, if I am talking about this, the region, the intersection of the region is equals to 0 for I not equals to j. If I am talking about the predicate of the region is true for I is equals to 1 2 up to n. So otherwise it's the false, like certain conditions are there. So the image segmentation with respects to predicate P partition the image X into sub-region such that, which is followed by this condition. So the segmentation property is a logical predicate of the form region, image, and like this R X T. So the R that is representing the region where X is a feature vector that is associated with the region R, and where basically if I am talking about this T, that is the set of parameters, like generally the T stand for the threshold. A simple segmentation rule is of the form like I am talking about the predicate of the region, that is the image R comma C less than T. Basically this T that is representing the threshold. So this is the simple segmentation rule. So like in the case of the color image, जो फीचर वेक्टर वैल्यू है, द फीचर फीचर वेक्टर वैल्यू क्या है? फीचर बेसिकली दैट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द इमेज, like we are having the 3 RGB image component. So जो x की वैल्यू है, जो फीचर वेक्टर की वैल्यू है, इज लाइक दिस RGB, region comma color, region comma color, region comma color. So that time the simple segmentation rule may have the form. यहाँ पे हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, we were talking about the binary image, that is the black and white image. So here like if you are having this the color image, so that time the feature vector will be like this, or you can like consider it as a case one, like if we are having the color image. So now let us see what is a region growing. Region growing, like region growing, it is a simple approach to the image segmentation. जो भी इमेज रहती है उसको हम लोग डिफरेंट जो रीजन रहता है उसको डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स में हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं, लाइक वी आर कंसिडरिंग द डिफरेंट सेगमेंट. अ सिंपल अप्रोच टू द इमेज सेगमेंटेशन इज टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम some pixel seeds represent the distinct image region and to grow them until they cover the entire image. हम लोगों का यहाँ पे जैसे ही हम लोग ग्रोइंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, इफ़ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ग्रोइंग, तो जो भी हम लोग जो पिक्सल वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द सम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, या कुछ हम लोग पिक्सल से हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं, एंड दैट पिक्सल वी आर कॉलिंग इट्स अ सीड्स. एंड उसके आगे लाइक फर्दर वी आर ग्रोइंग दैट इमेज अनलेस एंड अंटिल हम लोग जब तक कि पूरी एंटायर इमेज को हम लोग कंप्लीट नहीं कर लेते हैं. सो फॉर अ रीजन ग्रोइंग वी नीड अ रूल describing a growth mechanism and a rule checking the homogeneity of the region after each growth step. यहाँ पे हम लोगों के लिए क्या रहता है, रूल क्या एक सिंपल सा रहता है कि लाइक वी हैव टू गो फॉर द ग्रोथ मैकेनिज्म, एज वेल एज कि हमें ये भी चेक करना रहता है कि वी हैड कवर्ड और द एंटायर इमेज और नॉट. सो द ग्रोथ मैकेनिज्म, for the if I am talking about the growth mechanism, so at each stage k and for each region मैंने जो भी मेरी इमेज है उसको सेगमेंट जो रीजन है उसको सेगमेंट्स में मैंने डिवाइड किया है. सो एट ईच स्टेज के एंड फॉर ईच रीजन वी चेक इफ देयर आर अनक्लासिफाइड पिक्सल इन द 8 neighborhood of each pixel of the region border. like ग्रोथ मैकेनिज्म क्या रहता है कि लाइक आई हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द सीड प्लेस, एक पॉइंट से मुझे स्टार्ट करना रहता है, दैट वी आर कॉलिंग इट्स अ सीड, एंड उसके आसपास के जो भी 8 नेबरिंग ऑफ द पिक्सल 8 नेबरिंग ऑफ ईच पिक्सल इन द रीजन. सो वी हैव टू चेक नियर दैट रीजन बॉर्डर. सो before assigning such a pixel x to a region, we check if the region homogeneity. We are checking like whether we had covered that region or not. क्योंकि पर्पस क्या रहता है कि पूरी इमेज को हम लोगों को एटलीस्ट वी हैव टू कवर वन टाइम. So the arithmetic mean and the standard deviation of a group of the region having n is equals to this pixel, so it is represented, the arithmetic mean is represented with this formula and the standard deviation is represented with this formula. So the following property P is used to decide if the merging of the two regions is allowed or not. So if the two region like यहाँ पे एक रहता है कि like if the two region are of the same we need to merge or not. If this condition hold, that time both the two region will be merged. If this condition doesn't hold, so that time we are not going to merge the region. So second topic है that is the region split. So the region split is opposite to the region growing. So the opposite approach to region growing is the region splitting. It is a top down approach and it starts with the assumption that the entire image is homogeneous. पूरी image same है, कोई difference नहीं है. ये हम लोगों का एक right from beginning we are assuming that कि जो भी हमारी पूरी इमेज है that is an homogeneous. So if this is not true, then image is splitted into 4 sub images. Like if this condition, if the image is not homogeneous, like by default we are assuming that this image is homogeneous. If this particular image is not homogeneous, so that time what we are doing, we are splitting the image from that point into 4 sub images. The splitting process is repeated recursively until we split the image into the homogeneous region. फिर ये बात आती है कि हम लोगों को ये कब तक स्प्लिट करना रहता है. So this we are repeating unless and until कि हम लोगों को will not get the homogeneous region. So if the original image is a square of n cross n having a dimension that are the power of 2, so n is equals to 2n. Square of like square n cross n, like 2 cross 2, 4 cross 4. So all the region produced, but the splitting algorithms are square having a dimension m cross m, where m is a power of 2 as well as. So here it's 4 cross 4, 8 cross 8, like this. Since the procedure is recursive, it produces an image representation that can be described by a tree whose node have the 4 sun each. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग उसको 4 सब images में divide करते हैं if we are not having that homogeneous image at a point. So जो हमारा जो image representation है, that we are getting a form of the tree जहाँ पे जो node है have the 4 suns each. So that particularly tree जिसके 4 sun है और the 4 nodes are there, that particular tree is called as a quad tree. So generally like such type of question rarely will come for some objective question. What is like if a tree whose nodes have 4 suns each, so that tree we are calling it's a quad tree. So we are having this region जिसको हम लोगों ने like 4 parts में divide किया है, R0, R1, R2, R3. So this is having the 4 suns. So this is the region R0, R00, R01, R02 and this R04. This is having further like R0, R1, R2 and R3. So the splitting techniques disadvantage, they create the region that may be adjacent and homogeneous but not merged. क्या इसका advantage है कि हाँ region adjacent हो सकते हैं, may be adjacent and homogeneous, but जिनको हम लोग merge नहीं कर सकते हैं. Suppose like this both the regions like they are adjacent to each other and they are homogeneous also, but like इसको हम लोग merge नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. So the split and merge method is an iterative algorithm that include splitting and merging at each iteration. हम लोग splitting और iteration हम लोग perform कर रहे हैं at each iteration. So if a region R is inhomogeneous, homogeneous नहीं है, so that time we are splitting it to 4 sub region. If 2 adjacent regions are homogeneous, like then they are merged, then that time the algorithm is stopped when no further splitting or merging is possible. कोई भी जो दो adjacent है region, like if they both are same, they both are homogeneous, लाइक उसको हम लोग फर्दर स्प्लिट भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, दैट टाइम दे कैन बी मर्ज. The split and merge algorithm produce more compact region than the pure splitting algorithm. Like purely यहाँ पे जब मैं बात कर रही थी, I was talking about the split. Split हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, split में एक बात आप like you will be having like split में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we are talking about the splitting of this two region. और जब स्प्लिट और मर्ज एल्गोरिथम में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, स्प्लिट और मर्ज, लाइक दैट इज ऑल्सो वन मोर टेक्निक. स्प्लिट करते हैं, लाइक स्प्लिट करने के बाद इफ द टू एडजेसेंट रीजन दैट हमें एक टू एडजेसेंट रीजन्स लाइक दे आर द होमोजीनियस और इफ दे आर द सेम, so that time we are going to merge. That time we are going to stop the split or the merge algorithm, because no further splitting or no further merging is possible at that point. यहाँ पे हम लोग दो ऑपरेशन एक साथ परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं स्प्लिट और मर्ज टेक्निक में. और स्प्लिट टेक्निक लाइक रीजन स्प्लिटिंग में, रीजन मर्जिंग में वन ऑपरेशन दैट वी आर परफॉर्मिंग. सो नाउ लेट अस सी द एप्लीकेशन. लाइक फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन लाइक द 3D imaging. That is the basic technique in 3D image processing is the segmentation of the image, which classify voxels or the pixel into objects or the group. The 3D image segmentation make it possible to create 3D rendering for the multiple object and perform qualitative analysis for the size, density and other parameters of the detected object. So that time we requires the split or the merge technique, region growing or the region splitting technique we are applying for the 3D imaging. Several application in the field of the medicine like MRI, magnetic resonance image. So here we had considered one example for the region grow. This is the image of a girl. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने region grow we had performed over this image. region grow में हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जो भी possible हम लोगों के जो क्या बोलते हैं region रहता है, जो pixel रहते हैं, that we are growing, जिसको हम लोग उसकी जो पिक्सल वैल्यूज जो रहती है उस पर्टिकुलरली उस रीजन की उसको हम लोग एक्सपांड करते हैं. सो दिस इज द रिजल्ट आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग द रीजन ग्लो एल्गोरिथम ओवर दिस ओरिजिनल इमेज. इन द सेम वे दिस इज द रीजन स्प्लिट. रीजन स्प्लिट में क्या करते हैं, लाइक बाय डिफॉल्ट वी आर अज्यूमिंग दैट द पर्टिकुलर इमेज इज ऑफ द होमोजीनियस है एंड उसके बाद लाइक विल ट्राई टू सी इफ द टू रीजन्स आर होमोजीनियस और नॉट. इफ नॉट फिर हम लोग स्प्लिट करते हैं इनटू द फोर, particularly into the 4 nodes or the region. So ये original image थी and this is the output or the resultant after performing the region split over this image. In the same way we have performed the region split and the merge. Region split and the merge over this image. जब होमोजीनियस नहीं है दो रीजन, so that time will further split the region. If we got the two adjacent region जो है, if we are getting the homogeneous, that time we are going to perform the merging operation. In the same way ये एक इमेज है एक एनिमल की. There we had performed the region growing. Only purpose is that to get the important information, the information, the more closer information about this image, so that we can use it for the further analysis purpose. In the same way, we have performed the region split. Region split we had performed over this image, और ये इसका resultant image हम लोगों को मिला है after performing the region split over the image. In the same way, we have performed the region split and the merge algorithm over the image. So that's all is there in the today's session. Firstly, I discussed about the thinning and the thickening operation. After that, I discussed about the region split and the region growing and the region shrinking. Region growing and the region shrinking. Further that, I had discussed about the region split, region merge, and the region split and the merging, because like all this techniques in somehow depending upon the application we are using in the image. Only the purpose is to get, sometime like we have to enhance the image, sometime we have to get the important information out of it. So that's all is there in the today's session. In case if you are having any problem, just let me know. Thank you.